intruder! Neutralizing...
Powering up. System check.
Sweet! Let's roll.
All units, we're in pursuit of a stolen vehicle from the movie studio. Squad to all units. Air support of suspect's appearance was noted. Stay on the line to receive.
Do you feel the need?
The need for speed. Well, I'm authorizing myself, motherfucker. Rich, you hear this? The car's talking.
Quickly! Phoenix 2 to squad. Suspect located. We're on the scene. Suspect inside.
I need help! Dispatch, can you run a check? Is this a part of the movie? Target pursuit! Hands in the air!
Your face is too dark for my sensors to read.
What? Bitch, I'm black and I'm proud. Tell your sensors to calibrate that.
I have no reference for black.
No, of course you don't.
This is the police! Pull over now!
Keep your hands and feet inside the tornado at all times.
Hang on to your innards, Devin. Together, we'll carve up the streets.
Wait, did you just say a line from the movie? Wrench, you hearing this?
I am one nitrous-jacked smart car.
Oh, wait, did you just say the car quoted the movie?
Yeah.
That is so meta!
It can't be fun.
We're in pursuit. You won't get away from us. Any units grab a visual. Duck out of sight. Somebody check out the Dallas.
Come out with your hands up!
Stay with me. Stay with me. Holy! What happened? Doctor, be nearby. Where's this guy hiding? Anyone see him? Stay in range.
I'm clear.
Meet you at the garage.
On my way. I am Devin Von Devin, and I am...
You are not Devin. Devin Von Devin is handsome and swarthy. You are not.
Oh, come on. I'm sure as hell swarthier than any dude named Von Devin. Damn, Silicon Valley couldn't hire one brother?
My Galilei creators think of everything.
Yeah, maybe not everything. Oh man, this car is something else.
Yeah, well, kudos to Galilee for getting the studio to pay for this lemon.
Lemon. Did you hear it? And never mind voice recognition. I mean, sure, it needs a smack-up-sided scripting, but it had cogent responses. Do you know how much work had to go into that? Galilee has been talking about machine learning for their Mars probe, but man, I didn't expect it to be as advanced as it... What? Oh, man. I know it!
I do not approve of you driving me, Marcus. You're not as swarthy as Devin Von Devon.
I knew it had too much smart ass to be smart.
Wow. Shiny and new.
So it wasn't responding at all?
Well, does that count?
Yeah, fuck you, man. Fuck you.
The car's designed for autonomous control, but nothing's there or even calibrated. It's capable, but suboptimal. Not junk.
See? That's what I'm talking about. Think positive.
It's just stupid. So that's the plan? Fix a smart car the space company couldn't?
Problem?
No, we got this.
Got that engine boost already covered. We're gold. That'll make Grinch happy.